Hey family, so I decided to participate in the coffee station, the Peace and Love coffee station collaboration with the glam bosses. That is Miss Tangie Webb with HDD Home Decor, DIYs, and more. Y'all, she's a beast, y'all. Y'all just check her out for yourself. She's a beast. And the co-host is Miss Linda with Style by Miss Linda. She does it like a boss, like she says, the beast and the boss, the glam bosses. Let me calm down. I'm getting excited. Let me calm down. But I just wanted to do this intro to let you guys know to go over to their channels, subscribe, like the videos, share the videos. Their links, both of their links for their channels will be in the description box below. And I hope you guys like what my coffee bar is going to be doing. I will be showing you the before, how it looks just plain Jane every day, and then the after, how I decorate it. Now, I'm not a part, I guess, of the decorate, DIY, cleaning community. I love to watch y'all girls. I love it because it motivates me. But I'm more of the cooking aspect of it. So if you want to see cooking videos, I know this ain't what this about. Just stay tuned and head over to my channel. Is where I keep watching my videos. Just a little shameless plug. But enjoy the video. Thank y'all for watching. So right here is some of the stuff that I have laid out on the table. Some that I've already had and some that I went out and bought from Walmart and the Dollar Tree. So it's just some snacks and candies, little decor pieces and whatnot. So stay tuned and see how your girl put it all together. Okay, so you guys, this is before the decoration, of course. This is my coffee station and how it is on an everyday basis with my coffee mug rack on the wall that stores and hangs my coffee mugs. And then we have the tiered tray that just has all the necessities I need for coffee and hot chocolate and tea, with the cocoa, cinnamon, the creamers, marshmallows, the stirs, the syrup. So anything you need and want for coffee and tea would be here. In my canisters, I just have extra little K-cups and tea bags as well, and the sugar packets, because I cannot, y'all, I live in the country, I cannot have loose sugar all out on the counters. We would have ants. Anyway, so, and then we have the little storage, K-cup storage that I already refilled today. Also, I keep my favorite little mug. I just love this little mermaid mug, y'all. I keep that right there all the time because I like to use it. But this is the before. And let's get into the after. that you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to go over to Tangie and Linda's channels to check out their channels. And if you liked my video, please visit my channel as well to see what I have going on over at Wendalyn Lynette. So thank y'all again for watching. See y'all next time. Love y'all. Cut the front, cut the back, cut the front, cut the back, cut the front, cut the back, cut the front, cut the... Hey family, so I decided to collaborate. Ooh, is the stomach looking a little... It's too much. It's too much. Hey family, so... Okay. Front, cut the back, cut the front, cut the back. Hallelujah. Thank you, Jesus.